Hey guys, Jack here for Ghosts World, and today we are going to be something very exciting, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of this system I have purchased. So everyone, I got this. Yep, I have it. The Sega Saturn is here. I've been waiting for this for a long time, that one here. Now, you know you're thinking and say, why do you want to buy the Sega Saturn? Well, first one, I know this one is one of those failed systems, but, however, you cannot love the games on the Saturn. You cannot love it. So, what I got here, this here is a Model 2 type. I like the Model 2 type, so that one is much better than the first one. I know the overall that one here, shaped that one here is really good, but I'd rather prefer to have the old, nicely style of Model 2 type, so one here. So, obviously, the system looks great, that one here. And as you can see here, absolutely amazingly, no problems at all for it. I'm really happy to see that the case is still there. That's going to be your saved data and all sorts of it. But anyway, how much do you pay for it? I paid this from CEX at Victoria Centre for £105. Yeah, because we know the Saturn is going to go higher and higher and higher, that one here. But I say, it's said to the guys when they looked at it that it all been tested. So hopefully, for fingers crossed, we're going to give it a playthrough. So anyway, of course, now in the back of it, what's this one in the back? Well, this one here is a, can I put Master Systems in there? Can I put Mega Drive games in this port? Short answer is no. So unfortunately, this one here, because if you have a system, like any Sega Saturn systems you have, if you have an all-in-one region 3 port, this is the one you can do it for one here. So hopefully, for fingers crossed, I might find one day, and hopefully I can get some. There's some 2 Japan games as I'm gonna be really keep my eyes on it, such as there's Dead or Alive, original one, and Power Drift. So those are gonna be making it. So if I could get an all-in-one system. And any systems out over this, it can work on anything. European, UK, Japan, Americas, anything else. As long as you have that coverage, then you're good to go. Anyway, so what else I got one here, so it comes with. Unfortunately, they don't have an AV cable, but they got a SCART lead in there, so instead. So hopefully we're going to see that. And then we have the power adapter. And then, of course, we got the controller. Now, the controller, it is a Model 1 controller, but even though it's got good buttons, good vibrating around for it, you know, with my thumbs like this. And, you know, I'm really excited to get to test it out for it. But hopefully, fingers crossed, I might find a Model 2's controller, and then hopefully we'll see the difference for me. But apart from that, I'm very happy with that. So anyway, did you get any games for it? Well, yes, I did. Remember back a couple of months ago at the Power One Universe, I got one game for the Saturn, and that was this one, Virtua Fighter 2. The one here. But I have also purchased 2 games, not like straight away, but I bought it a couple of months ago in Ilkeston back in October-November timeline, and I purchased these 2. Yep, I have Sega Rally Championship and Manax TT Super Bikes. So I got this here just before the price went up. I got this for £5, and this one here £8. So same different. It's box completed, and it's all got the complete manuals, everything else. So it's good to go. So anyway, what I'm gonna do now for this. So I thought I might show you an easy one here, the little method. So the first one, of course, I love the tray openings. That one here, you know, there's the power button, the reset here, and the on and off here. That's really cool. And also, this one can work on CDs, like compact discs. So you can like listen to music tracks, anything else here is all in there. And I cannot wait to get to play at it. So first one, of course, see how it works. So as traditions, that one here, we got this one here all the way to to here. If I get okay. Sorry to apologies, everyone. Yeah, here we are. That's a bit easy. And of course, the power adapter, we already know is here. Now, of course, you know, first you'll need this one for the AV composite cable. Hopefully I can find, like I said, I can find it online or anywhere else I can find. So hopefully we can get tested through it. So anyway, so that's in the port. And of course, the controller port is over here as well. So you can put your controllers at 1 or 2, so maybe a 4-player as well. But anyway, we're going to go to a very different room and we're going to test this system with the games. And hopefully, we're going to have a crack at it. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay everyone, so it's now officially done. I all hooked it up to the TV phone here. The system's there. Let's crack this up. So anyway, fingers crossed for the first one, introduction. Okay, so then I'll show you if you can see alright. If not, I'll zoom it in for you. So we have here, we have the set language. So we already know that. So English, yes. And then we get to the year, but we know we'll keep this in 1994 style for one here. Okay, here we go. Nicely music introduction to open the system. We're happy with that. Oh, look at that. So here we are. And even though you can play CDs, ROMs on this one, so this is great. So now we're going to do now is going to test out the games. So anyway, let's start off with, let's begin with, of course, we can just turn the system off. So let's test out some games. So we're going to kick things off with this one, Virtua Fighter 2. So anyway, fingers crossed. Okay, here we go. The first game, let's go. Fingers crossed. Hope it works. Okay. It is! It does work! Oh my god, yes! Let's test out the first game for one here. Now, I hope you can see alright. So, we're going to play Akira, the main character. So, here we are. Bit better. Oh, this is great. Oh yeah, ring out perfectly. Oh, this is great. Look at it graphically on the Saturn. Nearly like an arcade perfectly, but it's great. Oh, look at that. Got an excellent at the end. But just look at that, guys. Look at that. That is absolutely great for one here. Really is. Okay, so that's the first one completed. Now let's move it on to the next one. Let's go into this one. Max Next TT Superbikes. Here we go. Fingers crossed on this one. Okay. There, here you go. Perfect. Fingers crossed, guys. Okay, we got the Sega Sports logo. Oh, yes. Yes. Let's go. Let's go into here. So we got an arcade one, so hopefully... So select the course. Oh my goodness, yeah, it reads well for it. It's great. Alright. There we go. Hoping that will be alright. Let's do it. Oh, look at that. Let's do one lap on this and then we'll finish it. But I tell you what, look at this, absolutely great. Max TT Superbikes, that one here, absolutely amazing. So we got the first checkpoint. Oh, yeah, a little bit too early. Ah, this is great. If you play an arcade version of Man X TT Superbikes, that was so absolutely amazingly cool. So another checkpoint. Oh, a little bit up. Oh, yes, indeed, everyone. That is great. Oh, absolutely thrilled. Very excellent. So that's number 2 for one here. Now we get down to the save the best for last. Sega Rally Championship. So here we go. Fingers crossed, guys. Here we go. If this works out for one here on this, that'll be a happy as Larry. That one else what we're looking at. Okay, we'll go for Sega Sports. Yes! Yes, it does work! Hallelujah! Yes! Oh, yes indeed.
Sega Rally Championship.
Oh, let's go. Let's play one little bit around for the rounds and then we'll finish it off. Absolutely great. So very happy to see. So let's get into the championship. Let's get into this car, that one here. The Lucas car, that one here. A nice rally one. Oh, here we go. Let's do it. Oh, this is amazing. Let's go. Oh, not this time for one hit. Oh, this is brilliant. Look at that. I'll take back the slipstream out of it. Oh, there's a copter. Whee! Oh, MG, yes! This is brilliant! Oh my god, I'm very happy now. I'm very, very happy with this. Oh, what can I say? We'll turn it off. OMG. So, that was that. The beauty of the Sega Saturn. Oh my god, I loved it. Now I'm going to start collecting up the Sega Sega Saturn systems. But when the game, sorry. Absolutely fantastic. I hope everyone has enjoyed it. And remember, drop a big massive like for the video. Drop down your phone here. Drop down your comments below. Did you purchase the Sega Saturn? What was your fond memories of it? Make sure to drop down your comments below. I'll give you a big thumbs up and a love heart for the support. Don't forget to click punch for the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications to see more videos very soon. Till then, this is Jack here. See ya!